Welcome to Preserve at Paradise Cove. Today we are at Alissa's newest listing and we are going to give you a tour of this beautiful property recently built a couple of years ago. So without further ado, let's go check it out.
This is a great community. We're close to so many wonderful things, like, for example, we are close to watercolor, Grayton Beach, Seaside, all along 30A. We also have Eden State Park right behind us, and we are within walking distance to the Emerald Coast Middle School. This house has a lot of really great features. Some of them are actually hidden, like in this beautiful open floor plan kitchen. We have storage everywhere that you can see and where you can't see. So our storage goes all along here as well, which is really wonderful, especially out here on the coast. You know, we are limited sometimes. So this house provides you with extra storage. We also have beautiful tray ceilings in the home, not only in the living room, but also in the master. Let's take a look outside. Not only does this home come with a beautiful backyard, but it also comes with this quaint, cozy, screened-in back porch patio.
Thank you guys so much for watching our listing tour. We hope you enjoyed it. For more content like this, make sure you subscribe to our channel. We post videos about this all the time, and we will see you in the next one.